Hey guys, welcome back to the Detailing Space. Today I'm going to be showing you how to deep clean and protect your soft top roof. So we're just coming into spring now, and many of you have probably got a weekend toy, something you just drag out during the summer, and it may be sat uncared for during the autumn and winter months. So yeah, you may have just got a little bit of green build up around the seams of the roof, and the roof in general just might need a deep clean. It's something you may not do every single wash. So I've got a few products here from our friends over at gtechniq. We'll have a quick look at those and then we'll go outside and show you how to tackle that. So yeah, all you're going to need is a couple of products for this. You're just going to need a citrus all-purpose cleaner. So we've got one quite suitably named, citrus all-purpose cleaner. That's the W5 from gtechniq. And then afterwards you're going to want some sort of fabric protection, and there's plenty out there on the market, but today we're going to be trying the Smart Fabric again from gtechniq. This is, you know, at the end of the day, they know what they're doing with coatings and everything, and the videos that I've seen online look absolutely phenomenal. So we're going to be giving that a try today and show you hopefully some water repellency on the roof. So yeah, let's get out there and take a look how to clean this. So I'll start by having a quick look around, and what I mean is down here against the spoiler, you can see like a lot of green build up, and against this window here, it's where water tends to sit and settle, and you get a bit of moss, algae, whatever you want to call it, just building up. So we're going to get that clean. And then some cars have really like thick foldovers, and you get it in here as well. This doesn't look too bad. And then again down here where it's going to fold back. So yeah, all you need to say is we've got the citrus all-purpose cleaner to clean it and some Smart Fabric to protect it. I've diluted that citrus cleaner into this Sam's Detailing pressure sprayer at 5:1, so you can use this either neat 5:1 for general or 10:1 for light soiling. So I've gone 5:1 for general. So yeah, this is the car. Let's crack on. Oh, and you're going to want to start off with a light rinse first. So you can either just use your hose, or I've just got the softest nozzle I can find. So it's 40-degree nozzle on here. So whip around. Oops. Right, so that's everything just rinsed down. You just want to use a soft spray as well, because yeah, sometimes you do get water in the windows around here, so you don't want to hit it with too high of a pressure either. I've got a bucket down here with various brushes in, so I'll just quickly show you. We've got yeah, a nice big soft brush, a shorter one for harder areas, still soft, general brush, and a scrub pad as well. That might come in handy. Oh, and you may also need a hop up to get up. So give everything a light mist over first with some all-purpose cleaner. Yeah, just get that covered everywhere. Try and work in the shade. I know I've got some sun, but don't let it dry out either. So I'm going to start on this sunny side first. So cover the whole roof with that, and that's going to work away. And then we'll just we'll change the nozzle just so it jets a bit more. There we go, into these focused areas. Really get into those. Where it's all green, look for the green. Should be a black roof, not green. There's very suds there. So focus down here first. This is where most of the green was, so it may take a couple of applications. Once you've done a lot of it, rinse, repeat until the suds stop turning green. They should stay white, but you know it's clean. I mean, overall, the whole roof doesn't look too bad. It's more the crevices and the creases. And it should probably go without saying as well, do this before you clean the rest of the car, because you're going to get it all running down, all the green, nasty stuff. So this is quite a soft long brush, long bristle, so it's not going to cause any damage. This one itself seems to be molting. You can see that's fairly white, it's fairly clean, to be fair. It is just the creases. For these kind of joints, you can just use a toothbrush. I've got this, it's a soft, short bristle brush, and get in there. Hey, Pooch! And also use these seams to divide the roof into sections, and after each section, give it a rinse. So this top isn't too bad. It's not really coming up green. It's a little bit dirty, but what do you expect? But yeah, it's not coming off green like the seals, the creases rather. One day she'll do this. Never. I don't think I've ever seen her clean a car. Or she attempted once on TT, I think. Yeah. Reapply a little as you go where you need to. As I say, you don't really let the products dry on either. You probably will get through a lot of all-purpose cleaner. But the beauty of it is, it's dilutable. Oof, lovely. If I've not mentioned already, you can just use like a toothbrush if you've not got one of these. But yeah. You also want to angle your brush like down and in. You don't want to be scratching the perspex or glass. And so if you angle it down, go across gently, you're going to get the top side of this seam as well. So again, just rinse and repeat until clear. So as you can see, we cleaned this area earlier, and what I was talking about when it was running green, it's now going white, because that's clean. I'm just doing this bit here. So the leading edge is going to be like a rubber seal as well, so you are going to get some like black come out as you're cleaning the rubbers. And be careful because there's some painted plastic, or painted bodywork anyway, just above. You probably see that's more grey than black. That's just dirt coming from the rubbers. So just take your time. And then that's going to be it. We're going to give that a thorough rinse. So as you rinse, you basically want it to make sure it's coming out clear, and you got rid of all the all-purpose cleaner, so there's no suds or anything. So yeah, there we have it. That's a nice clean roof now. We're going to see if I can just pull this roof back, see how dirty all the crevices are. So with the roof clean then, I just like to basically put the roof halfway, see if there's any dirt. So we've got some down in there in that corner. So he's scooping out by hand. Same in that corner as well. There you can just about see some. And again, just along here, we've got a bit of dirt, so it's going to get those by hand. And also at this stage as well, you can then just run around all your window rubbers along here as well, give all this a clean, so quickly go ahead and do that as well. Let's get into this little area. I'm just using the scrub pad. It's working slightly better. I can just get in there quickly and easily. It's not too bad. So it's not green, it's just dirt that's built up. I'm also trying to push some of the water out of the way. Because most of this roof has been clean while it's been up. It's just, as I say, the creases that I tucked away as part of the mechanism. So yeah, that's as simple as that, really. So while it's down, you can just get into these little bits. I'm just going to use the microfiber side of the scrub pad. I've got some shampoo in this bucket anyway, I keep carrying around. So I don't really need to apply much, if anything. And we'll get down here. Hopefully I can show you on the other side in a moment. You'll probably use a brush in here. This is the window tracks. Wow. Yeah, that's dirty. See, over on that other side, there's a ton of dirt down here. Feels horrible. Gloves might have been an idea. So just pull back the seal a little bit. Disgusting. You know what? Convertibles look cool. They ain't half dirty. Jesus Christ. Right in this window rubber as well. And then microfiber along top of here. This is why she can, she's got easy access. And I think that's about it. So yeah, that's it for cleaning the roof then. You can if you wish to clean all the mechanism and that. I'm not going to. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to pop the hood back up. You need the roof to be completely dry before you can use the smart fabric or usually any kind of fabric protection. They do require to have a dry roof. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly wash this car. Now that's going to be another video, so make sure you're subscribed if you do want to see that. And then we'll come back once the roof's dry and we'll apply some fabric protectant.
6 hours later.
Right, so that's the roof totally dry now, car's all clean. So yeah, we're now going to go ahead with the smart fabric from gtechniq. Basically just spray this all over. Avoid overspray if you can. I do have a cloth just to wipe up any overspray. And basically you just want to saturate this. But that's it, leave it as it is on the daylight today. I'm hoping it's going to dry as quick as it already has. So yeah, let's give this a try. Now some of these you do have to agitate depending on the brand that you're using. But no, it doesn't say that with this one. Just saturate the fabric that you're doing. So you can use this on foot mats as well, interior upholstery, and of course convertible roofs. So yeah, it also says as well to wear gloves. Do this outside in a well ventilated area. You don't want to be breathing this in, it's not exactly pleasant. It seems to be blowing right into me right now. So I'm gonna get this roof absolutely saturated. And we'll move around to the other side in a moment, because that's what it says to do. Oh, it'd be easy to put this into a pressure sprayer. So with this cloth that we've got, I'm just going to wipe along here. I don't think I'd got anything over there. A bit on the windows, get that off. Let's check this rear window. So yeah, just run around one last time, make sure I've got everything. Make sure there's no overspray on the windows. As I say, you might need to go around with a glass cleaner afterwards just to clean up any drips that have got on there. But that's looking pretty decent. Yeah, same with any trim work. So there we have it then, that's how you quickly clean and protect your convertible roof. As you can see, it's a lot quicker to protect it than it is to clean it. So it's a good idea once it is clean just to keep on top of it and reapply this probably once every 6 months or so. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you have, don't forget to smash that like button. Also click this icon up here to subscribe as well. And a couple of videos down below that we think you might enjoy. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this and we'll see you in the next video.